Welcome back to Dream Home Talk. In today's video, we're diving into the latest interior design trend for 2024, rustic modern decor. This style perfectly balances the warmth of rustic elements with the sleekness of modern design. Ready to transform your living space? Let's get started. What is rustic modern interior design? Rustic modern interior design is all about blending the charm of natural, raw materials with clean, contemporary lines. It's a style that feels both cozy and sophisticated, making it perfect for anyone looking to create a warm and inviting home with a modern twist. Key elements of rustic modern decor. Natural materials. Incorporate wood, stone, and metal to bring an organic feel to your space. Think reclaimed wood furniture, stone accent walls, and metal light fixtures. Neutral color palette. Use shades of white, beige, gray, and brown to create a calming and cohesive look. Add pops of color with soft furnishings and accessories. Minimalist furniture. Choose sleek, modern furniture with clean lines. Opt for pieces that are both functional and stylish. Texture and layers. Mix different textures like rough wood, soft textiles, and smooth metals to add depth and interest to your decor. And there you have it. Key elements to kickstart your rustic modern home transformation. We hope these ideas have inspired you to blend nature with elegance in your living space. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into specific room ideas, from living room transformations to lighting solutions that perfectly complement the rustic modern style. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Dream Home Talk, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.